Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos. Lady Gaga is all about being yourself and telling people to embrace who they are. My first memory of Lady Gaga was her Just Dance song. In middle school, we had this dance concert and the closing number was to Just Dance. Yeah, I was like, ooh, this is hip, like dancing along, it was fun. All of her music videos, like they stay in your head. I still have images of like Telephone with Beyonce and Lady Gaga. I'm so excited for all these looks today, so let's get started. This first look, very classic, early Gaga. When you think of Gaga, you think of a look like this. She also has very pink blush. She has the blunt bangs, the like ultra platinum hair. Super over the top. Little geo blocks on the side. Oh my god, I'm blonde. Ooh. Oh, this is so cool. I'm like not looking at myself. I feel like it's like a completely different person. It's wild. This is literally the craziest thing I've ever worn. So this look is still crazy Gaga, glittery, and nice, very defined eyebrows. We definitely get more of her features. So she has this like dark green olivey smoky eye and these bright pink lips. Her hair's swooped back here, so we see more of her face, and it's dyed this like crazy blonde and yellow. Yellow. This is so colorful. It's so cool. I feel like I'm straight out of a comic book. Like, I'm so colorful. This look is badass. She's giving me like sexy biker chick, but Gaga style. She has like this glittery red eyeshadow. She has like magenta lips that are just like really cool, and her hair is like pink. Who doesn't want to be like this? She looks hot. She has this like messy, colorful updo, kind of like, I don't care, but I'm still really cool. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. Ooh, shoot! I feel so glam. Like, I feel so done up and like, I like want to go out like this, low-key. This was so much fun. I feel like, I felt like I was gonna go on stage or something. Like there was so much makeup on and just like the hair, so fun. Maybe I'll dye my hair, who knows? I feel like a whole different person. Like looking in the mirror, I'm like, oh my god, that's me? Like, whoa. Definitely feel like powerful, like I'm ready to like take something on, you know? Thank you for watching. To watch more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.